Hi, thank you for joining us. I'm Jessica Deane, the Director of Marketing with AIM Transportation Solutions, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about what truly makes AIM great, our award-winning maintenance department. Vehicle maintenance is the paramount function of our company, from keeping our full-service lease customers' vehicles on the road to professional shop management, where we run your shop like it's an AIM shop, or to a simple PM agreement where we're maintaining the vehicles you own and operate. We're doing it all when it comes to all that behind the curtain work that goes into keeping trucks running and keeping your business operational. Today, we have a very special guest, the leader of our maintenance department, Chris Disantis, our Senior Director of Maintenance. Hi, Chris. How are you doing?
Great, Jess. Thanks for having me today.
Thank you for joining me today. So the words AIM and vehicle maintenance go hand in hand. Providing this service to customers is what we do, and we do it well. If I'm deciding whether to take my truck to get repaired up the road to the other guy or to AIM's friendly service desk, why should I go with AIM?
AIM, we provide a comprehensive solution for our customers. We train our technicians internally to make sure they're skilled at all aspects of the vehicle, whether it's the lift gate, the Thermo-King unit. We do all that work in-house, the emission systems. So when you come to AIM, we have the technology, the service, and the training all under one roof for you without you having to go to multiple vendors to get work done.
That definitely sounds like it keeps things simple. So if I'm looking into preventative maintenance, what all do I get when I get a PM with AIM?
With AIM, we inspect the vehicle from top to bottom when we follow all TMC recommended practices and procedures. From tires to the transport refrigeration unit to emission systems, we check it all. Our comprehensive PM takes over several hours to do, and we inspect and repair everything we find before giving it back to our customer. Our main goal is to run from PM to PM without any issues in between.
Perfect. So we're currently celebrating AIM Technician Appreciation Week. Can you tell me a little bit about what the purpose of this week is?
We wanted to thank our technicians for everything they do to us every single day of the year. They're the key to our customers' success and keeping the supply chain moving for us, our customers, and our country. We appreciate them every week of the year, not just this week, as their hard work that they do that provides outstanding service for our customers and our company.
Absolutely, very well put. And as part of Technician Appreciation Week, I think the raffles and the prizes and gift cards that have been sent out have been a really great little kind of bump in morale for everyone out there who's working hard every day. In many ways, AIM's technicians are the most important members of the AIM team. The skilled labor that they perform is one of the primary services that we offer our customers. Can you tell me what sets AIM technicians apart from those other companies?
Our technicians and their dedication to their profession, dedication to the training they do, and the commitment they have to providing outstanding customer service for our customers. I've said it before, our techs rock. And as they say, when techs rocks, America rolls.
Very well put. I think to sum it up as a whole, the maintenance department rocks. So definitely good stuff there. So thank you so much for joining me today, Chris. I thought that was a really great look at AIM's maintenance department, what really sets us apart from the competition. For those of you out there who may be struggling in one way or another to keep your fleet operational and profitable, reach out to us and see firsthand what AIM has to offer. Lots of exciting things happening and more to come. So thank you very much. Have a great day, Chris.
Thank you, Jess.